Hello friends, welcome to our channel World of Science. In this video, solved question and answers for NEET exam topic Diversity in the Living World. It consists of 10 MCQs set 1. So watch till end and comment your score out of 10. Question number 1. Viruses are no more alive than isolated chromosomes because dash. And your options are A. They require both RNA and DNA. B. They both need food molecules. C. They both require oxygen for respiration. D. Both require the environment of a cell to replicate. And the correct answer is option D. Question number 2. Given below are the four matching of an animal and kind of respiratory organ. A. Silverfish, trachea. B. Scorpion, book lung. C. Sea squid, pharyngeal gills. D. Dolphin, skin. The correct matchings are option A and B, A, B and C, B and D, or option D, C and D. And the correct answer is option B. Question number 3. Which of the following is a matching pair of an animal and certain phenomenon is exhibit? And the options are A. Pheranthema, sexual dimorphism. B. Musca, complete metamorphosis. C. Chameleon, mimicry. Or D. Taenia, polymorphism. And the correct answer is option B. Question number 4. During life cycle, Fasciola hepatica, that is liver frog, infects its intermediate host and primary host at the following larval stage respectively. And the options are A. Radia and Miracidium. B. Cercaria and Radia. C. Metacercaria and Cercaria. Option D. Miracidium and Metacercaria. And the correct answer is option D. Question number 5. Cycon belongs to a group of animals which are best described as. The options are A. Unicellular or acellular. B. Multicellular without any tissue organization. C. Multicellular with a gastrovascular system. D. Multicellular having tissue organization but no body cavity. And the correct answer is option B. Question number 6. Biosystematics aims at dash, and the options are A. The classification of organisms based on broad morphological characters. B. Delimiting various stacks of organisms and establishing their relationship. C. The classification of organisms based on their evolutionary history and establishing their phylogeny on the totality of various parameters from all fields of studies. Or option D. Identification and arrangement of organisms on the basis of their cytological characters. And the correct answer is option C. Question number 7. In which kingdom would you classify the RK and nitrogen fixing organisms if the 5 kingdom system of classification is used? And the options are A. Plantae, B. Fungi, C. Protista, D. Monera. And the correct answer is option D. Question number 8. Which one pair of example will collectively represent the grouping somatophyte according to one of the schemes of classifying plants? And the options are A. Acacia, sugarcane, B. Pinus, cycas, C. Rhizopus, triticum, or D. Zingopisum. And the correct answer is option D. Question number 9. Viruses that infect bacteria, multiply and cause their lysis are called dash. And the options are A. Lysozymes, B. Lipolytic, C. Lytic, or option D. Lysogenic. And the correct answer is option C. Lytic. Question number 10. The chief advantage of encystment of an amoeba is. The options are A. The ability to survive during adverse physical conditions. B. The ability to live for some time without ingesting food. C. Protection from parasites and predators. D. The chance to get rid of accumulated waste products. And the correct answer is option A. Thank you for watching.